Hi Dressing Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cat rat from Gabby's Dollhouse. So let's get started. To draw this cute blue cat, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a straight line. Say about that wide. And then I'm going to go ahead and just connect it with a big curve underneath. And then I'm going to come inside, right about here towards this edge. I'm going to draw another curve and bring it up. So it's much closer on this side. And then let's put a highlight right here with a circle. And I'm going to shade everything else in. And if you like, you can just kind of leave a little space right here for some color in his eyes, if you like. I'll just put that right there. Kind of like my Draw So Cute eyes, right? But without the lines. Okay, so now that we have that, let's use this point and come right across, say about this wide, and we're going to draw the same thing. So about the same thing right here. And this time we're going to put his eye right here as well. So he's kind of looking that way. There. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm just going to come to the top right here and just slightly thicken up the top line. So then from there, let's draw his brow. So I'm going to come up on this one and say about right here. I'm going to draw a soft curve slanting down right over his eyes and thicken it up. And then on this side, we're going to go a little bit higher. So let's go up and say about right here. We're going to draw a curve on this one and thicken it up. So we're just kind of giving him this mischievous look. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw his nose. So right in between the eyes, about right here, just going to draw a soft curve. And let's draw this rounded off triangle. Then toward the mouth, let's come out right here and we're going to curve up. And then this one we're going to curve, but we're going to curve down a little bit lower. And then we're going to connect it with a curve. So it's a little lopsided. And then right in here, you add a little tongue right there. Okay, so now that we have his face in, his expression in, let's go ahead and draw his head. So let's use this as our guide. We're going to come to this point, come out, let's say about this much, not too much. And same thing over here. Just give myself a point. And then from there, let's go up. We're going to draw this curve going up. And we want to go nice and high. So let's see. About right there. So this is about our center, and then we're going to come down just like the other side. Just draw a nice round curve and bring it in. There. So now that we have that in, we're going to come out. So that's where we're kind of curved in right here because we need to come out. Kind of like at the level of his eye, start to come out, say about right there. Same thing on this side. Just approximately the level of his eye, we can start to come out. And then right here, just zigzag a little bit, maybe 3 times. Same thing here. And then just go ahead and come down and connect with a soft curve. So right underneath the mouth, let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point. So it's just easier for me to see where I'm going with my curve and connect. So if you're drawing small, you don't need to do that, but if you're drawing big, it definitely helps to give yourself points to go to. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's draw his ears. So we're going to come to about right here on the top, and we're going to come up. His ears are kind of pointy and thinner, so let's come down, and then we're going to draw the inside. And same thing on the other side, but right here, go up and down. I think this one went up a little bit higher, right? Okay, so same thing, let's draw the inside. Then we need to give him some pattern, so right about here, I'm going to go ahead and give him one stripe, because it looks so empty in this area, right? And same thing on the other side. Oh, okay. Try not to touch his brow. And down. And then in the center, you draw this long one that goes up to fill that space. There. Okay, so now that that's all done, we can go ahead and draw his cute little body. So let's center it to about right here and here. Just going to draw a soft curve coming down. It's a very big head. And let's see, let's keep going. Just kind of straighten it out a little bit. And let's say about in the center, about right here. I'm just going to give myself a little curve. From there, I'm going to come down to start his legs. So then this part, we can go out, just flare it out. And let's bring it down a little bit more to about there. And then I'm going to come right here and just draw this curve, and it's going to extend out more on this side and connect. And then right here, just put in maybe just 2 curves, simplify it. And same thing over here. So push out this curve a little bit more on this side. And once again, 2 curves. There. And then for his tummy area, right here, I'm just going to lightly draw this ovalish shape right in here. And then for his arms, let's come out to about right here. We'll curve 3 times, 2 and 3, and bring them in. And then for some details, say about right here, just kind of zigzag a little bit. And I'm going to try my best here to put in these paw prints. There. So same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3. And connect, and once again, same thing. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we can go ahead and draw his tail. So I'm going to come about right here, and it has a very long tail. I'm just going to curve, say about there, and then let's go ahead and just thicken it up. So round it off and just follow whatever you drew. And right back. And then let's just come in here and zigzag a little bit of these stripes all the way along. There. Okay. And last but not least, I'm going to add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Cat Rat from Gabby's Dollhouse. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.